Christmas may be only 5 days away, but it's not too late to make sure that your home looks great. Here to show us how to spice up your home for the holidays is award-winning celebrity flower designer Michael Gaffney of the Milwaukee School of Flower Design. Thanks so much for being here.
Hi, good morning. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, so tell me about the school. It started here, but now
the school started in Milwaukee, and now we have locations in New York, Chicago, Minneapolis, San Francisco. So,
oh my God,
lots is happening.
And you're very busy. You do a lot of on film sets, set up the flowers.
Yeah, there's a lot of areas that people don't realize that in the industry you can go into, and one of them is we work in New York lately on films. We do, every movie has flowers in it, so somebody's got to do the flowers, right?
And you're the guy.
Right, so the students and I have been working, we did a film with Philip Seymour Hoffman, we're working on one with Natalie Portman right now in New York. So yeah, there's lots of, opportunities besides just selling flowers in the, in your corner flower shop.
Mm-hmm. Well,
so lots of avenues to go.
And obviously you're the
expert. It's a real business, a huge industry that people don't realize.
And I know, I feel silly for not realizing it, but obviously it's a huge industry if you have the school here and you've really expanded.
Right, it's going well.
So you're here to show us a few tips for the holidays.
Some simple techniques, yes. A lot of flower designing is just things you were never shown. So I'm going to teach you how to be a designer today. Great. This is a technique called clustering. A tall cylinder filled with foam, right? Stick a couple of branches in. I'm all about going in your backyard and finding half of this stuff, It's all in your backyard. Here's some pine and some cedar, and then we just clustered in. Clustering just means taking one flower and at the base of perhaps these branches, sticking a lot of it, There's strength in numbers, right? Mm-hmm. So here we did a cluster of roses in this nice tall cylinder. It's great for an entryway coming into your home. I'm going to do the same thing real quick. I love fast designing, right? Mm-hmm. Here's 3 or 4 hydrangeas stuck in this nice tall green cylinder.
Plus now we're running out of time before Christmas, so at least it's something quick and easy to do.
Isn't that nice? Done.
Oh, wow.
So here we have a cluster of roses, a little more upscale. You can go to the grocery store, your flower shop, and buy roses and just cluster them in these cubes that everybody's crazy about, right? Then in the middle, we stuck an ornament.
Wow.
So, easy, right?
Absolutely.
Here we've got white Casablanca lilies. This is my tip for this season. Use flowers you don't usually associate with Christmas time, like white Casablanca lilies, white delphinium. I think it adds just a fresh look to your house, Instead of all the poinsettias around, add some white spring flowers and trim it with a little Christmas green. It's a great new look. Here we have the cube again. Now, I'm going to have you do this one.
Okay. Uh-oh.
You're just going to pile in that green hydrangeas, go all around the edge.
Oh. Should I not go in the front?
Just shove them in. That's a cube filled with foam. Turn you into an instant designer. Keep going. There's another one. Right down the middle.
Put this in. There we go. So if I can do this, anybody can. I'm not creative at all.
Flower designing again. At the Milwaukee School of Flower Design, we teach it's all about secrets and tips and construction of bouquets. Less creative than you think. More about creating functional, saleable art. That's why, to be a designer, you need clients. So, and when you go to work, you've got to be able to produce gorgeous flowers all the time. So it's really about technique and a lot of secrets and tips.
If there's somebody out there considering getting involved in the school, how do they get involved?
We've got a website. Everything's on there. Videos of classes, the curriculum, everything you need. And over here's my last project, no flowers, all Christmas greens, right out of the backyard. Pine, cedar, spruce, balsam, maybe a little magnolia you'd buy from the flower shop, and ornaments.
And so you just throw in ornaments to add a little bit of
a little bit of color. So all these things you see on this table are very easy to do. Here's our carnations, a little bit, for those on a budget. These are just a dozen carnations, again, clustered into a container with an ornament dropped in the middle.
The one thing I noticed, they're all very simple and then put together. It's just a beautiful design.
Right. These would be great going down your dining room table, 3 squares with clustered flowers instead of the traditional centerpiece. It'd be a great look. Especially downtown, in the urban, everybody's buying these condominiums living downtown. It's a great urban look. So
great. It's been great having you on here.
Thank you very much.
So much.